Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. What is the volume of oxygen when the pressure is 26 psia and the temperature of 81 degrees Fahrenheit? There is no free body diagram. Step 2. List all the given variables, find the unknown. So it's actually little v because it's the specific volume that we're after. Step 3, find the specific volume formula. So little v is equal to R multiplied by T divided by P. R is the gas constant, T is the absolute temperature, and P is the pressure, which is also absolute. Step 4, find the oxygen gas constant. So this can be found in your tables. You can also look this up on Google. So it is 0.3353 psia foot cubed per lbm gas constant, or R. Okay. So step 5, find the specific volume. We now just plug and play. Note that we need to convert the degrees Fahrenheit to absolute by adding 460 Rankine, and I've put the full spelling as well as the R unit, so not to be confused with the gas constant R, as you can see. So the gas constant is a separate unit to Rankine. Alright, I just want to make that clear. Students get confused quite often from that. Okay, and of course, so we've got our gas constant, our absolute temperature, and divide by pressure. So we get 6.97 foot cube per pound mass, or lbm. So that is the answer for this question. Disclaimers: the method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now, before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. First, click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool, open up the program. Click on Video option, click on New. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in Snipping Tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in Snipping Tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.